Hello guys, and welcome again to one of those them tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to be talking about how to create a YouTube channel and do it the right way. First off, we head on to youtube.com. If you're on a channel that doesn't have if you're on a YouTube account or a Google account that doesn't have a channel yet, that's pretty easy. All you need to do is come up to your profile picture. If you click on it, you're just going to see your YouTube account's name right here. But let me show you how to create it the right way. Just head over to settings, then come over to create a new channel. Now let's put in the name. We're going to call this OBS Studio 2025. That's already suggested a username or a handle for us. Select your picture. Let's pick from our computer. Let's pick this funny looking picture here. It's going to upload that. Wow, nice. Here we go. Now you can just simply click on create channel. We give it a while and we are good. So if you look at this account, we actually have our normal user accounts and an additional channel to that same account. So when you click on the profile picture and head on to switch accounts, you can see the two channels. You can continue to do that, clicking on the profile picture, click on settings, then add or manage your channel. You also see the two channels created. You can also click on create a channel again, and you go over the same process. Okay, sometimes you might need to verify one or two things, and after doing all of these procedures, either a selfie, a photo ID, and all, you can create multiple channels. Okay, so that's just how we do that. The next thing we're going to be talking about is how do we actually live stream. For the first time creating or requesting a live stream, you're going to have to wait 24 hours, and let me show you how that is. Some of you confuse it with the prerequisite for having 1,000 full hours before you can go live. You don't really need that. After creating your channel, just head over to create, then click on go live. It's going to bring out this. Immediately it brings this out. All you just need to do is wait for these 24 hours and you will be good to go. I'm going to open up a channel that already has the going live activated. Okay. Let's just head over to youtube.com. Okay, I'm going to click on create and go live. So we can see how the interface looks. I'm just going to talk about how to connect this with your OBS Studio shortly. Let's open up our OBS Studio. I already have some set up on my OBS Studio. Okay, and I don't have any channel connected to this yet, and this is how we're going to do that. We're going to head over to settings. We're going to head over to stream. We're going to pick the service, which is YouTube. We are going to say connect accounts recommended. Since I already have this browser opened, it is just going to pick up that link and paste here. But if you wish to copy this link, you can take it to any other browser that you want. You can take it to your Edge, you can take it to your Opera browser, okay, any of those. Just make sure you paste it in an account that has your YouTube channel or account opened. Okay, you just paste it there. Sorry, and this is all we need. You open this, copy, This is my Opera. You could just paste it there and it will just do that. What it's trying to do is create an authentication between the OBS software and your account. So I'm here right now. I'm just going to click on this account and I'm just going to click on continue, and that has connected it. So let's look at how we can set up for live streaming, where we can generate a link that can be shared. We're just going to come over to schedule section and say start. We're going to select streaming software go. We're going to click on schedule stream. We're going to come in here and say first time streaming. Okay, this is just an illustration. Leave every other thing as it is. You can head over to our thumbnail, look for something exciting that we can use for our thumbnail. Okay, you should always click on not made for kids so that you can have access to your chats or comments. You can click on next. You just need to check on all of this live chat replay, or you can just leave that. This is just going to help you interact with the live chats. All right, so for the chatting, anyone can chat or leave comments. Not much to do here. You make it public. Now let's set a time. At this time, this is 5:30. I'm just going to pick 5:45, May 7th. I'll click done. Now I have this loaded but not connected to any streaming software or service yet, and I'm going to show you how that is done. I'm going to head over to my OBS, and right about now it has actually connected that YouTube account to my OBS automatically, because if we head over, okay, here, this is the final screen we got. Authorization completed successfully. Down to our OBS again, we're just going to say okay. Alright, now if you notice in the control section, it has split it into start streaming and manage broadcast. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to cancel this to make everything simple. Now I'm going to click on manage broadcasts. I'm going to head over to select existing broadcast because we have already set something like that up. Now, if you look at this, this is something that has been created before. Now I'm looking at first time streaming. This is the exact name that was created on the YouTube. I'm going to select it. Just click on select broadcast. It's going to connect it together. You give it a while. Yeah, you can now click on start streaming. You're going to see a pop-up that says auto start is disabled for the event. Just click OK. Now what we want to do right now, if you head over to the account where you have your streaming, if you look at this arrow at the top right, you actually see this URL. You can now share this URL on your different platforms. Let me open it up here in this browser, because what we're going to be looking at is just upcoming, coming soon, whatsoever. All right, until it is now transmitting. Okay, head over back to our OBS and we're going to click on go live. Immediately we click on go live, remember the screen on the right is what is actually going live, the one on the left is a preview. So I'm going to click on transition, that will move it here. I'm already live, so if we go and check on our browser, we should be seeing that wallpaper in any time now. Okay, on the right is what is actually going live, the one on the left is a preview. So I'm going to click on transition, that will move it here. So that's that. If you want to end it, just click on stop streaming. End broadcast will totally disable that link, and that will be the end. So what is just left is for you to switch between your scenes. If you have your cameras connected and all, you just switch between them and you are good to go. I hope you got a lot from this tutorial. Thank you for following us. Keep in touch for more. Please click to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.